Hello and good morning everyone. Welcome back and you're watching English by Joseph Ma'am. I hope all of you are fine and well. Before I move on to the session, I would like you to please subscribe my channel and ring the bell so that you'll be getting the notifications for the upcoming videos. And those who are new to my channel, I welcome you all. God bless you all. And moving on to the session today, I have got some small words to form a sentences. कुछ छोटे words आज मैं आपके लिए लेके आई हूँ जिसमें आप शब्द बना सकते हैं, वाक्य बना सकते हैं. छोटे छोटे शब्द है उससे आप वाक्य बना सकते हैं. So without wasting time, let us begin. Sentences छोटे छोटे वर्ड जो वर्ड्स है, शब्द है जो हम लोग डेली यूज करते हैं लेकिन हम लोग हिंदी में बोलते हैं. तो यहाँ पे ये इट विल बी अ प्रैक्टिस. नाउ दीज वर्ड्स आर अ प्रैक्टिस फॉर यू ऑल. सो द मोर यू प्रैक्टिस द मोर बेटर यू विल बी एबल टू स्पीक इन इंग्लिश एंड इन फ्लुएंसी. So these are the words here. Now let us see how can we form sentence. कैसे हम sentence को बना सकते हैं. तो पहला sentence है हम लोग का on. On का मैं आपको हिंदी भी बता दे रही हूँ. On होता है पर. So now on से क्या sentence आप बना सकते हो. Simple sentence. आप सोच के बताइए. Because आप ये चीजें most important है आपका English speaking में. For your speaking in English, the three most important points is learning, speaking and writing. Learning, speaking and writing. So when you have to write now, so how will you frame a sentence? How are you going to frame a sentence? This thing you have to think first. पहले आपको सोचना है, फिर आपको pen down करना है, फिर आपको लिखना है. Now here are the sentences and also the words. आपके words भी हैं और फिर आप कैसे बनाओगे इसको. Now on का मैंने आपको बताया पर. So now what is the on? आप sentence कैसे बनाओगे on से? The baby is on the bed. You please repeat after me. And those who are watching me, those who have joined me right now, जो अभी join किए हैं, please वीडियो को अंत तक देखिएगा, skip मत करिएगा, otherwise आपको फिर समझ में नहीं आएगा. आप अंत तक मेरे वीडियो में बने रहिए और दूसरों को भी आप शेयर करिए क्योंकि ये बहुत informative चीजें हैं. आप इसको note down भी कर सकते हैं. So let us begin. On मतलब क्या होता है पर. मैं आपको बताया पर. Now on, the baby is on the bed. The baby is on the bed. The clothes are lying on the chair. On the chair. कपड़े चेयर के ऊपर पड़े हैं. बेबी बेड के ऊपर सो रहा है या खेल रही है. On. अब आप सेंटेंस on से आप और भी सेंटेंस बना के मुझे प्लीज कमेंट बॉक्स कमेंट कर सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज इन. प्लीज कम इन. ये आपने बोला प्लीज कम इन, ये भी है एक सेंटेंस. अनदर वे टू से इन फॉर्म इन द सेंटेंस इज प्लीज पुट द वेजिटेबल्स इनसाइड द रेफ्रिजरेटर. प्लीज पुट योर टॉयज इन द बैग. In this way you can form the sentence from in. Next is off. He took off his hat to bow down. मैंने अभी क्या बोला? He took off his hat. He took off his hat to bow down. Now you can make a sentence of off and please comment me in this box. The next is off. Here this off. Now see this also I will be telling you all. Off. O-F-F. Off. There are two different spellings but it is pronounced in the same way. Off. Off. But इसकी meaning हिंदी में अलग है. Off is in English also is different. Off, O-F-F, off is बंद. बंद. Please switch off the fan. The factory got off early. कर्मचारी लोग काम करते हैं तो off जल्दी छुट्टी हो जाती है तो off. I have a day off. आप ऐसे भी बोल सकते हैं. Next is by. By का हिंदी क्या है? द्वारा. Please walk by the side. Please walk by the side. Put means रखना होता है. Put the shoes in its proper place. Put your bag aside. Next, few. Please tell me few things about yourself. few का हिंदी है कुछ. Please tell me few things about yourself. कुछ चीजें अपने बारे में बताओ. Who का हिंदी कौन. Who is there? Who is coming? कौन आ रहा है. Ask, पूछना. Ask का हिंदी है पूछना. Ask whatever you want. पूछो जो आपसे पूछना है, जो आपको पूछना है पूछिए. Ask whatever you want. Next is for. For means लिए. This is for you. ये आपके लिए है. This is for you. How? कैसे? How this happened? How are you feeling? But means परंतु. It was I had to go, but it was raining. मुझे जाना था लेकिन बारिश हो गई. Why? क्यों? Why are you crying? Here is a question. You are asking a question. Why are you crying? तुम क्यों रो रहे हो? Okay. Next. But before I move on to the next part, these are very basic words. छोटे छोटे शब्द हैं और ये हम लोग डेली यूज करते हैं. आप लोग डेली यूज करते हो लेकिन इसको इंग्लिश में आप लोग नहीं बोलते, हिंदी में बोलते हैं. सो ये चीजें आप लिख भी सकते हैं. यू कैन राइट इट डाउन. टिल मीन्स तक. इट वॉज रेनिंग टिल आई रीच्ड. बारिश हो रही थी जब तक मैं पहुंची तो बारिश रुक गई थी. सिट हियर टिल आई कम बैक. Sit here till I come back. रुको जब तक हम वापस नहीं आते. यहाँ बैठो. With साथ में. With whom are you going? तुम किसके साथ जा रहे हो? With whom are you talking? आप किससे बात कर रहे हो? Upon ऊपर. The fruits were lying upon the table. Or you can say put the fruits upon the table. Over. ऊपर. Over, another word is ऊपर. The books were lying over. The roads were flooded over water. ऊपर means ऊपर की सतह में रहना. बहना जैसे पानी ऊपर बहता है ऊपर. तो the same way the water flooded the street. The water was over the street. Into means में. They got into a running bus. They got into a running bus. चलते हुए बस पे चढ़ गए. From. This is from my side. ये मेरी तरफ से है. Here. Come here. Near. Sit near me. Also. This is also for me. ये भी मेरे लिए है. ये भी मेरे लिए है. This is also for me. Your. आपके. This is your pen. This is your dress. There, वहाँ. They are playing. Tell. Go and tell them not to make a noise. Go and tell them not to make a noise. आप किसी से बोलो कि जाके बोलो कि आवाज ना करें. Each one of you come here. एक एक करके मेरे पास आओ. Each one of you come. Away. She is away from me. She is far away from me. Away का हिंदी है दूर. So she is far away from me. Early. Early का जल्दी है. She gets up very early. I get up very early. Next. Daily. Daily means रोज. I teach you daily. Daily she is what? Talking in Hindi. Daily she is talking in English. Or you can speaking in English. डेली मतलब रोज होता है. मेड बनाया. I made a delicious dish for you. What? क्या? What are you doing? They are sitting outside. They are talking about some people. They are sitting outside. When are you coming? Explain. Each one of you sit down. Want. I want something. Want का क्या है? चाहना. I want a pen. I want a glass of water. Kind. This kind का हिंदी क्या? तरह. He is a kind nature person. Well means अच्छा. When you say अच्छा है, okay. All is well. Everything is well going on in your family or in your life. must. You must come. You must learn. You must speak English. This is such a beautiful place. सच का हिंदी है ऐसा. Said. Said is कहा. Those, उन, and never is कभी नहीं. So these are the 3 sentences that, my dear friend, that you will tell me the meaning, and you will tell me make a sentence and let me know in the comment box. Till then, see you in the next video. Goodbye. God bless you all.